Now let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there you'll find the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, lift up the hood slightly with your left hand and put two fingers of your right hand right over there at the edge of the Toyota emblem and pull up. That's what it is, you have to pull up on. Lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. Grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. Pull it back a little bit and now it's secure. Now we'll get started with the passenger side bulb first. That's the bulb. The way to access it is right behind over there. That's the bulb with the gray electrical connector. And now while it looks accessible, you can't really get your hand in there and twist the bulb and get it out. You will need to get some tools for this job. You will need to have a needle nose plier, or a longer one is actually better because it gives you more leverage. And you will need to have a flathead screwdriver. So let's go ahead, get the screwdriver and press right over there. See what I'm pressing? Press, and at the same time try to get the connector off of the bulb. And then try pry it off from the back there. Try a little bit more and then pry it out. It's gonna take a few seconds, so just be patient with this, but it'll come off. So yep, pry it. Press there, get it out, and then push it and get it out the rest of the way. Now to get the bulb holder out of the light, get the pliers on and grab it right over there where I'm showing, and then twist it left to loosen it. A little bit more, that's good, and now you should be able to just get it out. And it comes right out. And there's enough space for me to be able to just get the bulb holder out of that area comfortably. And out it comes. Good. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 3457A. A is for the amber color. Again, 3457A. Get the new bulb and simply push it down to secure it in place. To put the bulb holder back in, same process in reverse. Use the pliers to get it in position, and you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in and sits in flush like this. At this point, just twist your right to lock it in place. And that is looking good now. Get the connector on the bulb. You can use the wire of the connector to help you get the connector on the bulb, but to really secure it, you'll have to use the screwdriver again to push it on the bulb. Moving on to the driver's side, same process, same everything, no differences whatsoever. But I'm going to do it just so I can prove it to you that is in fact just as easy. Get the screwdriver to get the connector off and get it out of the bulb. Now get the pliers and grab the bulb holder and twist to the left to loosen it. Now it's loose. And let's get it out. And out it comes. Same bulb, same everything. Let's just put the bulb holder back in the light. Again, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in and sits in flush. At this point, just twist your right to lock it in place. And now let's get the connector on and use the screwdriver to really get the connector on and secured on the bulb. And that's about it. To close the hood, push on the hood, get the load off the prop rod and get it out of that slot. Put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.